Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the logical operators. So the logical operators are and, are, not. So before enter into the coding part, let me explain the operators first. So please walk through with me. So here the first operator is and. Second operator are not. So in Python here true means 1, false means 0. So AND operator verifies the both conditions. If both conditions are true, then output is true. So it means it check the both conditions, input 1, input 2. And what is the output here? If both are true, that means if both are true, output is true. If one is true and one is false means output always false. If one is false and one condition is true, output is false. If both conditions are false means always output is false. So only when the output is true means if both conditions are true. That is AND operator. Now we will see the OR operator. OR operator check the conditions. If either one of the condition is true, then the output is true. So let me take input 1, input 2. What is the output here? If both are true, if both conditions are true, output is true. If one is true and one is false, then output is true only. If one is false and one is true, output always true. If both conditions are false, then output is false. So don't be confused here. So here I taken like a 1 0 format, but here it is true false. But both are T means 1, F means 0. Next, not operator. So not operator, it associates with only single expression. So if the input is true, output is false. For example, this is input and this is output. So if input is true, output is false. That means it inverts the result. So if input is false, output is true. So not operator always associates with a single expression only. So let me show you the coding part with the examples. So the first is AND operator. Here I have a list of elements. First now I am going to iterate the elements first. Let me write the for loop. For I in list 1. So here for is a loop name, I is the iterator. Iterator name is optional. You can take it anything here followed with the variable rules. And in is a membership operator and list 1 is the variable name. So if I am directly writing like a print of I means it's going to iterate the every element in the given list. So this loop will execute until the end of the element. Based on the position, index position, it iterate the elements. So, but here now I am going to write the conditions. Based on that condition, I am going to extract a specific part from here. So, if I am writing like a if I want only a specific values, if I value is greater than 20 and here I am using the AND operator and I value is less than 200. So AND operator, it verifies the both conditions. That means the first condition. If the first condition is true and the second condition also true, then only it prints the output. So above 20 means I have only 2, that is here you can see there are 4 elements, 100, 120, 1000 and 400. But the second condition also it checks, so it is less than 200, that means only the 2 elements are 100 and 120. If both conditions are true, then only it's get executed. So why this is raised an error? Because I haven't given the indentation. So now you can see 100 and 120. If both conditions are true, then only it prints the output. Next, OR operator. So OR operator means either one of the condition is true, it prints the result. So let me show you occupation. I'm taking some variable. Occupation is equal to input of, I'm going to collect the information from the end user. End user going to enter his occupation. So enter your occupation. So this program is regarding for bank loan. That means I'm going to write some condition. Based on that condition, that people only get the loan process. So let me show you. If occupation equal to student, that means who are having the eligibility. So either if he is a student, or if occupation equal to employee, only these 2 persons will get the loan eligibility. So print of loan is available, else other than these 2, print of loan is not available. Let me execute. So what I written here, if I'm collecting the information from the end user going to enter his occupation. So here I return the condition, the loan is eligibility is only for the student or employee. Other than that, if anyone enter the other occupation, that means a business or maybe farmer or any other, they don't have the option to loan available for that people. So let's execute. Here if they enter the occupation is student, then you can see loan is available. If for example businessman, business, you can see loan is not available, because any one of the condition is true, then it print the output. Next, NOT operator. NOT associates with a single expression and it inverts the result. So here I have a list of numbers, but observe one thing here, it is a repeated elements. Some duplicate elements are there, and I want to remove the duplicate elements from this list. I want only the unique elements. So generally what we do, we simply prefer to do the data structure conversion, because we have like a data structure set is there. Set properties, it remove the duplicates, that means it won't allow the duplicates. So generally we prefer to use the data structure conversion. So let me take this one. List 1 is equal to set of list 1. Here simply I am converting. Now if you see the data structure, what type of data structure it is list. Now what I am doing here, I am converting from the list to set. Why I am doing this one? If I want to remove the duplicates, simply I can do the data structure conversion, so that it will remove the duplicate elements. So print of list 1 here, you can see. But what happened here, you can observe, it is in the data structure form of set, but I want as it is, I want in the list form the output. So what I need to do here, if you want to see the output in the list form only, so take the variable name list1 is equal to, do again the data structure conversion, list of list1 variable you can pass it. Now you can see the output, it is in the list form. But observe one thing here, it is not in the order, because here you can see the order I am expecting like 5, 6, 7, 8, but it haven't followed the order, because the reason is set is unordered. But I want to hear my concern, my interest thing is, my expectation is, I want to remove the duplicates as well as I want in the order. Then how to solve this problem? If I simply go with the data structure conversion, it is removing the duplicates but it is not in the order. So then let me show you the second way. Just I am simply taking the list1 here. Now I am going to take one empty list here. List2 is equal to empty list. First I am going to iterate the elements for I in list1. So what I am doing here? First I am going to iterate the elements from the list1. Then if I not in list2, list2 dot append of, append is a method, append of I, so print of list2. Let me show you this. So now you can see the result here. It removed the duplicate elements, and here you can see all are, it is in the ordered. So here what I written, simply I taken one empty list here, list2, then I iterated the elements using the for loop. Then condition I written, if I not in list2, that means first time I value is 5, second iteration 6, next iteration 7, next iteration is 8. That means first all these 4 elements are appended into the list2. Let me show you this. So first what is happening here, list2 dot append of I. So here the first it will open the list2 means empty list. So first it will add the 5. Next it will append the 5. Next iteration 6. Next iteration 7. Next is the 8. Now you can see again what is happening, 5. What I written the code here, if I not in list2, that means if now the I value is here, it is 5. But 5 it is in already there in the list2. So condition is, if it is not there then you can append it, but the element is already there, that's why these elements won't be appended into the empty list, and that's why you can see the order here. And here why it is not in the order means because set property is unordered. That is the difference. Generally it is an interview question. So without using the data structure conversion, remove the duplicates but expected output in the ordered. So that's why I shown this example. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. In next video, I'm going to explain the bitwise operators. Thank you. See you in next video.